Hello and welcome. This is Safa. In this lesson, we will learn about image filtering. Filtering is used to enhance images or extract important features like age. Image filtering changes each pixel based its surrounding pixel. It can smooth an image, make it sharper, or highlight edges. The most common filters are a blur, sharpen, and edge detection. Blur makes an image smoother by averaging pixels. In MATLAB, we can use imgaussfilt for Gaussian blur or F special average for average filtering. Sharpening emphasizes edge and makes details more visible. MATLAB has the built-in function imsharpen for this purpose. Edge detection helps find object boundaries. Popular method include Sobel, and Canny. In MATLAB, use edge image Sobel or replace Sobel with Canny or private. Okay. In MATLAB, first we convert the image to grayscale with RGB to gray, I'm red. Okay, then we apply Gaussian blur with imgaussfilt to smooth it. Next, we sharpen the original image using imsharpen. Finally, we detect edges using edge with Sobel and Canny method. Sobel and Canny. Notice how different methods highlight edges differently. Okay, run. Okay, figure 1, original image. You can see Gaussian blur, sharpen image, Sobel edge, and Canny edge. Okay. Key points. Always remember the purpose of each filter. Okay, blur, smooth, sharpen, highlight, edge, detect boundaries. Okay, thanks for watching. Follow along with me in this series and let's learn image processing step by step in MATLAB.